Today I am going to explain to you about E18D80 NK IR proximity sensor. In this video I will teach you the basics of the E18D80 sensor. I will show how to interface this E18 sensor with relay module, and also I will make a small project using the E18 sensor and Arduino Uno. Now let's look into the basic working and wiring of E18D80 proximity sensor. The proximity sensor can be connected using just 3 wires. Out of this, the brown wire is the positive, the blue wire is the negative, and the black wire is the output. So this wiring diagram may change as per the sensor. So over here the wiring they have given over here. So please check the connection diagram when you are buying a E18 sensor. This sensor works on 5-volt supply, so that is very easy to use and you can directly interface it to any microcontroller, Arduinos or even Raspberry Pi. So the E18 sensor comes in the cylindrical form, as you can see, making it very simple to interface or fit it to any cabinet or any structure that you are making for the project. Moreover, the E18 sensor works on modulated IR signal, so it can work even in daylight. So over here the transmitter and receiver is placed behind this glass, and over here on the back side of the sensor there is a screw. This is a multi-turn potentiometer from which you can change the sensing distance. The sensing distance can be varied from 2 cm to 80 cm, and the sensor works perfectly well even in sunlight. Over here LED is given, so whenever an obstacle is detected the LED will turn on. So this sensor is very simple to use and can be interfaced to Arduino very easily. Now let us see how to interface E18D80 IR proximity sensor to relay module. So what we have done over here is we have just taken out a 3-pin Relimate connector from the E18 sensor, and we are using a 5-volt isolated relay module. So this relay module triggers on low signal, and when the E18 proximity sensor detects an obstacle, it gives a low signal. So this E18 sensor can directly be connected to the 5-volt isolated relay module. So now let's connect the two. So over here I am using a power supply board. So from this power supply board we will be giving 5 volt to the relay as well as the E18 sensor. So we have given 5 volt to the E18 module. One pin from the E18, that is the output pin of the E18 sensor, will be connected to the relay trigger pin, and the same 5 volt will be given to the relay module. So you can see when an obstacle is detected, the relay is turned on. You can see the relay light. So when the hand is placed within the sensing distance of E18D80 proximity sensor, the relay is turned on, and when the hand is removed, the relay is turned on or turned off. So according to your application, you can use this circuit for various projects. So one project that I know of is automatic hand sanitizer. So using this you can make a very simple automatic hand sanitizer machine which can work in sunlight. So now let us connect the complete circuit with Arduino Uno module. So over here I have taken an Arduino Uno and I have preloaded it with a very simple code, which you can see in the description section below. So we'll be connecting. Now what we are doing is, instead of directly connecting the E18 module to the relay module, what we'll be doing is we'll be connecting the relay module to the Arduino Uno, and we have made a very simple program that once the obstacle is detected, it will turn on the relay only for 1 second. So even if the obstacle is there, still it will turn off the relay. So this output of the relay module, instead of the output of the E18 sensor, instead of giving to the relay module, we will be giving it to the Arduino Uno board. So now the code that we have implemented is like that. Once the obstacle has been detected, the relay will turn on for only 1 second. So even though the obstacle is still there, the relay has turned off. So, so this is a very simple project that we have implemented. This project also can be used for automatic urinals or automatic hand sanitizer or automatic hand blower machines. So using this E18 sensor, you can, and Arduino Uno, you can make n number of projects, and this is a very easy to use sensor. So if you want to implement any IR based sensor, so IR based project, so I would suggest, instead of using the IR proximity sensor that is available in the market, use E18 module, though it is a bit costlier than the normal IR sensor, but it can work in daylight and at night time very perfectly, and the sensing distance is also very high as compared to normal IR sensor. Thank you.